Hello, friends. Today we are going to give you a detailed introduction of computers. There are people who still do not know much about computers. They still wonder about what is computer, how it works, what are the parts of computer, who invented the computer, and the list goes on. So let's get started. Today we cover theses, all topics in this video. First topic is what is computer? Second is components of computer. Third is what is device. Fourth is what is input and output device. Fifth topic is what is output and output devices. Sixth is difference between input and output devices. What is a computer? The ultimate electronic device ever made by humans is computer. Yes, an invention that has changed the way of living lives. It has made great impacts on our everyday life and civilization. Science and technology is becoming advanced day by day due to the usage of computers. We can say everything is in the computer and computer is everywhere because we get all the information very easily with the help of computers. It helps in completing tasks with technology and the internet. Computer is derived from the Latin word computare, that means to calculate or find the result of some operation on numeric and non-numeric values. Some of the most accurate definitions of computer definition. A computer is a machine that performs tasks according to certain instructions. It is an electronic device that is designed to work with information. Definition of computer. A computer can be defined as a multi-purpose, programmable, electronic data processing device that is capable of accepting input, processing it, and producing information as output at enormous speed. Simple definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device which can perform computation as well as logical action at enormous speed. Some of the most accurate definitions of computer network definition. A computer may be defined as a machine that can solve problems by accepting data, performing certain operations, and presenting results of those operations in sequential instructions. Such a set of sequenced instructions, which cause a computer program to perform particular operations, is called a program. A computer can be defined as a programmable digital automatic machine, which takes input from the user, processes it, and gives the output information in the desired form to the user, and stores it if necessary. Computer full form of computer. Technically, there is no full form of computer, but for their conveniences, people has made an imaginary full form of computer, and that is C commonly O, operated M machine, P, particularly U, used for T technical and E, educational R research. Father of computer, who invented computer? Charles Babbage, an English mechanical engineer and polymath, originated the concept of a programmable computer. Considered the father of computer, he conceptualized and invented the first mechanical computer in the early 19th century. History of computer. It is believed that the development of computers started from 1831 to 1835 from the idea of a perpetual calendar machine, which, though a system of pulleys and cylinders and over, could predict the perpetual calendar for every year from AD 0, that is 1 BC, to AD 4000, keeping track of leap years and varying day length. But officially, the development of computers has been classified according to the generation. These are mainly divided into 5 parts. Generation of computer. What is computer generation? Computer generations are based on when major technological changes in computers occurred, like the use of vacuum tubes, transistors, and the microprocessor. As of 2020, there are 5 generations of the computer. First generation of computer, 1940 to 1956, vacuum tubes. Early digital computers used vacuum tubes as a major piece of technology to perform the calculations. They were quite problematic because of the big size. In terms of consuming energy, causing heat problems and resulting in malfunction many times. Other examples of first-generation computers include the ENIAC, EDSAC, IBM 701, and Manchester Mark I. Machine language was used in these. For example, UNIVAC and ENIAC computers. Second generation of computer, 1956 to 1963 transistors. From 1955 onwards, vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors in computer designs. It was a new hype and rise to the second generation of computers. Transistors had their own advantages, as they were smaller and required less power than vacuum tubes, so give off less heat and resulted in well-functioned computers. The first computer to use transistors was the TX-0 and was introduced in 1956. Other computers that use transistors include the IBM 7070, Philco Transac S1000, and RCA 501. In this technology, high-level programming languages like COBOL and FORTRAN were used. Third generation of computer 1964 to 1971, integrated circuits. The next great advance in computing power came with the advent of the integrated circuit, IC. It was a great invention by Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce. IC helped in reducing the size of computers even more than second-generation computers. The computers started working amazingly faster. In this technology, the transistors were small-sized and inserted inside the silicon chip, called semiconductor. It resulted in an increased processing capacity of the computer. ICs are still used in computers today. Fourth generation of computers, 1971 to 1985 microprocessors. Microprocessor is the hero of the fourth generation of computers, more commonly known as a CPU. It came with a revolutionary invention of the desktop computer and fit easily on a desk, and for the introduction of the laptop. Microprocessor usage immensely increased the efficiency of the computer and was able to do very big calculations in seconds. Some of the earliest computers to use a microprocessor include the Altair 8800, IBM 5100, and Microl. Today's computers still use a microprocessor, despite the fourth generation being considered to have ended in 2010. Fifth generation of computer, 1985 to present artificial intelligence, the era or the beginning to use AL, artificial intelligence. This is the technology which we are using today in our mobiles, laptops, tablets, and computers. AL has made almost everything possible through our phones and laptops, as speech recognition, parallel processing, and quantum calculation, etc. The world-famous example of AL in computers is IBM's supercomputer, Watson. It was even featured on the TV show Jeopardy as a contestant for question answering. Apple's Siri on the iPhone and Microsoft's Cortana on Windows 8 and Windows 10 computers are other examples of companies using AL technology. The Google search engine also utilizes AL to process user searches. Parts of computer parts. A general-purpose computer has four main components that make up a typical present-day computer. These are the arithmetic logic unit, ALU, the control unit, the memory, and the input and output devices, collectively termed input devices. Input devices of computer keyboard, computer mouse digital camera, overlay keyboard digital video real-time clock, graphics tablet trackball, image scanner touchscreen joystick light pen microphone.